Hello everyone, my name is Malerkotla. Today I'm here to tell you some speaking tips. Firstly, I am from the Trackers and we provide the best education in our city. And firstly, I would like to tell you about the speaking part. In speaking part, there are three parts, and it is one of the most important modules in IELTS, and it is of 9 bands, and mostly it is very easy to score bands in IELTS. And in speaking, first part is introduction. In introduction, there are very basic questions asked by the examiner according to which are related to your personality, such as what is your name, where do you come from, and everything regarding you, like your favorite singer and anything which is really very basic. Then comes the cue card. In cue card, you have to speak for 2 minutes straight, and before that 1 minute is given to you for the preparation of cue card, and there is just a basic statement that you have to speak about. For instance, that you have to speak about a trip that you went to in your past, and you have to speak for 2 minutes that what was the trip and where did you go and with whom did you go and how much did you enjoy about it, and everything regarding the trip, nothing more than that. Then comes the follow-ups. In follow-ups, there are the questions related to the cue card. In that, you have to answer all the questions just according to the cue card. You cannot contradict both the statements. And it is what I think is that in speaking, the most important thing is confidence. If you are confident, you are maintaining the eye contact with the examiner, and there are no pauses, you are fluent, then obviously you can easily score 7 to 7.5 bands, and there is not a big issue. Many students think that speaking is the toughest module, but according to us, the education we provide, we can easily help you to score 7 to 7.5 bands. More, even we can help you to score more than that. So that's it, and thank you so much.